in the Aurora district of Uttarakhand, and then another I said that Bhimbetka. And in the Bhimbetka that I discussed with you, Bhimbetka painting has been discovered, and I said that it has been discovered in Wakang, and then we have been able to see it is in the upper Paleolithic and then upper Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and this 3 period, the 7 period, and like after that, then Bhimbetka painting in the 3 stages, and the that ochre, red and green in the upper Paleolithic, and red means and green means I said that it is human. And that in the upper Paleolithic, you know that the human being figure is age, Mesolithic age. Has been increased, technology has been increased, and the color has been also increased. The white color they started using, and the yellow color started coming also. And we have been able to see that it is a deterioration in the size. Size has been deteriorated. It can be considered as an upbramsa. It can be considered as an upbramsa. And then they started what is doing community dance, and then group hunting. They started, and now the population has been increased. Community dance and group hunting. And further again then in the Neolithic stage, where it is, and I said that they started not only painting but they started also engraving, calligraph. In the Neolithic you can be able to see what is a petroglyph, sorry, not calligraph, petroglyph. And we have been able to see that they are using what is so many colors, and then even then blue colors are using, and it has been, we are able to see it is brought by, I said that somewhere else. And then I said that in the Bhimbetka that the 3 measures are, these are the things are there. And we have seen also one Kipple rock painting. Kipple rock painting means in a cup shape. I said that through the hammer, kind of it slowly and slowly cup shape is and reformed. And then we have seen, where we have seen, and Dharki Chattan, it is in the Mandsaur district of MP. In the MP we have, and I said Kipple painting, and then we have seen in the Maharashtra, Andhra, Karnataka, Telangana, and Arunachal Pradesh. These are the regions we have. Which painting has tell me? Kipple painting. And apart after that, we have also seen some. I said that which we have seen. After that, Kipple painting हमने क्या किया था? Yes, tell me. Kipple painting के बाद prehistoric paintings that we have seen. And then prehistoric important paintings that we have seen in the, I said Mirzapur we have seen, then thereafter Bhimbetka, Pachmadhi, Hoshangabad, and then we have seen the Rayagad, and then in the Raichur, and then one we have seen Mandsaur. These are the reason we have prehistoric paintings are there. Thereafter we have gone for the paintings of what is Gupta's age, and then after that Gupta's age में हमने कौन-कौन सा देखा? Yes, I said that Ajanta, Bagh and all. Yes, Sita Naushad. And then Gupta's age के समय में if you will see that there is an Ajanta, especially if you see Ajanta rock cut caves and all paintings which is belongs to the 2 phases. One is I said that Satavahanas, and another is I said that Vakatkas. And Satavahana, if I have said that Satavahana has no image because at that time there is an influence of Hinayana, and during the Vakatka phase there is an influence of, I said that, Mahayana, and therefore there is a coming of sub image making. And image making coming toward the 4th century, 5th century, 6th century AD, and then toward the 2nd century BC, 2nd century BC, it is a kind of what? Hinayana. And then we have seen cave 1 in the Ajanta. There is 30 caves are there, and all are related to what I said that Buddhist and monasteries and all. So cave 1, it is talking about what is in a Buddha's life, and then I said that in the form of which one? Dharma Chakra Parvartan Mudra. And then after we have also seen there is a kind of, yes, Bodhisattva Padampani, and then Bodhisattva, I said that Vajrapani in the cave 1. And cave 2, Yaksha is there. And then cave 16, it is in a very famous, enlarged, highly art and culture developed, cave 16. And cave 19 and 17 that we have seen, there is yes, tell me? Yes, Chaityas are there. But at the same time, cave 19, we have been able to see what are the two other things. Yes? Rahul, his son is there, is Rahul. And the begging bowl has been offered by, Buddha to him. And thereafter we have seen, on cave 26. Cave 26 is, I said that, Mahaparinirvana. Then we have been able to see that there is and they have also which kind of painting we can be able to say. कौन सा painting हमारा रहता है? Which I said that mural and fresco. And you know the difference between mural and all fresco. Then we have seen Bagh painting, and there is Bagh. It is a Bagh painting in the Dhar district of MP, and then along the Bagh rivers, and there is 9 caves are there, and most of the caves except 3 and 4 caves, most of the caves are destroyed, but 2, 5, 7 it is remain little bit in the some condition. And then second cave is known as, I said that, Panda cave. Cave 3rd it is known as Aakhi Khana, and then cave 4 is known as Rang Mahal. Understood? And then thereafter we have seen it is in Sita, and Sita Naushal. It is in the Pudukkottai district, and it has been also formed on the same basis as the paintings of Bagh and Ajanta. Understood it? And I say thoda sa we have to little fast. Okay, देखते हैं कितना मैं फास्ट हो सकता हूँ मैं अपने तरीके से मजबूर रहता हूँ my way of teaching. But I said that mural tradition of what we are talking about, mural tradition of Karnataka, and the Badami is in a famous site. You know that Badami हमेशा क्या रहा, culturally you know that very strong center, and Badami is a site which was discovered in the state of Badami Ayol, that is in a Bagalkot district. In which district? Bagalkot. And Badami was the capital of the Western Chalukyan Badami, yes or not, of the dynasty, and established their power in the Deccan region after the which power? I said Vakatka. And then I said that this cave is popularly called, I said that Badami cave को क्या बोला जाता है? Which cave? Vishnu cave. Badami में कौन सा cave देखा हमने? Vishnu cave. And Badami में हमने earlier we have seen, yes, tell me. Yes, it is in a Vesara style. Which style? Vesara style. So this cave is popularly called Vishnu cave, and the scenes of palaces dominate the paintings of this cave. The scenes of the palaces are dominating. Here it is not any other thing is there, like I said that in the Bagh cave it is related to some kind of what is in a Buddha and all. So here it is not like this, but there is a scenes of palaces dominate the paintings of this king, and the gracefully drawn faces of the king and queen. जैसे हम लोगों ने सीता नवसन में देखा, the same it is also there. And then similar to the, and then painting style कैसा रहा? Similar to Ajanta style. So in which region I said that? Karnataka. And then I said that mural painting and Badami. Understood? If we'll go to the Ellora, where we are going to see, and Ajanta, as I said that it is earlier, it is also UNESCO heritage site, so the Ellora is also during the Rashtrakuta period. And one of the largest rock cut monastery temple caves complex in the world, that is, I said, in the Maharashtra. The site represents the monuments and artwork, Buddhism, Hinduism and Jainism. कौन थे? Buddhism, Jainism, Hinduism, there is a Brahminical aspects, and then 6th century to what is in a 10th century AD, but 900, 950 like this. Rashtrakuta period. And cave 16 is an amazing cave, yes or not? In दोनों में आप देखोगे cave 16, अजंता में भी cave 16, and there is also Ellora. Ellora में कैलाशनाथ temple है. And then features of the largest site monolithic rock excavation in the world, and Kailashnath temple, a chariot-shaped monument dedicated to Shiva. It is in a Kailashnath temple. Understood? And thereafter we have been able to see that the site feature over hundreds of caves, but we are at present we are able to see how many caves? 34 caves are open to public, and these were excavated out of the vertical basalt cliff in the Chandranagari. Sorry, I said that Nandra Nadi hills. So I said that Charan Nadri. So we have Charan Nandri hills, and then it is in a basaltic and all, and then this consists of how many caves? 1 to 12 Buddhist caves, and this is Buddhist caves. And then I said that 17 Hindu caves, that is 13 to 29, and 5 Jain caves, 30 to 34. And then all Ellora monuments were built by Hindu dynasties, such as I said Rashtrakuta dynasty, who built some Hindu, Buddhist, and then I said that some after that the finish ho raha tha. When the Rashtrakuta was finishing, who came? Yadavas of who came? So thereafter some Yadava dynasty who built some of the Jaina group of caves. So Buddhist and Brahmanical, it has been made by Asoka, Rashtrakuta. Asoka bola tha, Rashtrakuta bola tha. So I said that Rashtrakuta, and then I said that Yadava dynasty built Jaina caves. And which are the Jaina caves? 30 to 34. Understood it? So in the Ellora painting we'll be able to see, like I said, that famous. I said that क्या है महाभारत रामायण the scenes of what is there in the Ellora paintings में क्या रहा Brahmanical में in the Brahmanical I am talking about Mahabharat, and then I said that Ramayana and mythological animals, and जब painting हो तो animals, flowers, trees, and then there is a different kind of epiphytes, each and everything is there, means geometrical figures जितने भी याद आते वो लिख देना. That you can say that battle scenes are there. Which one I said that? Some you can be able to see that the and then हनुमान जी के ऊपर कौन बैठा हुआ है? Who is sitting? Sri Ram. And then elephant in the lotus pond, Shiva as a Nataraja. हमने क्या बोला? क्या हमने बोला? Ellora. क्या है? Ellora. तो कभी भी आप I said that यहाँ पे Ellora में कहाँ जाओगे? कहाँ पे जाओगे? कहाँ पे? Ellora. हाथी समझते हो? एलिफेंट. I said that Ellora, Lara, कौन दत्ता? एंड लारा दत्ता को देखकर एलिफेंट कहां पे घुस गया? In a lotus pond. Yes, and after seeing the Lara Datta, Shiva started doing the Nataraja dance. I said that. Which dance? Shiva started doing Nataraja dance. Understood? And then Jaina become erotics. Jaina become. So I said that divine figures related to Jainism. Understood it? So I said that. Yes, हमने कौन-कौन सा देखा था? Yes, and after that सभी लोग आपस में who is Lara Datta, he belongs to whom, सब लोग आपस में क्या करने लगे? Battle scenes. So you can be able to see what is in the Ellora. Yes, Lara. क्या हमने बोला? One elephant enter into the lotus pond देखते हुए Lara Datta को, and then Shiva started doing Nataraja dance, and then Shiva is a Nataraja, and then after we have seen battle scenes are there in the Ellora. And then we have seen, yes, tell me, yes, the two Jainas are the Jainism aspects that is in a growth over there, paintings are also related to that. And then we have seen, yes, tell me, bolo to say, battle scenes. And there is a Mahabharata and Ramayana, this kind of scenes are also available. And two types of painting, one resembling Ajanta, after showing the deterioration influence of Apabhramsa. Apabhramsa means deterioration in the shape and size. Deterioration in the nose can be like this, बड़े से हो सकता है. Yes, eyes can be like fish shape. Yes, no, complete deterioration. हाथ पता नहीं लगेगा जैसे that you are what is having some problem in your hand. Sometimes it can be of any. So it is there is a deterioration in the proportion, size, and so it is after that I said deterioration, some influence of Apabhramsa has been there. So which are the two I said that? Ajanta style, and then Ellora has, I said that. Tell me, Apabhramsa. So I said that there is an Ajanta influence is there, and then also Ellora has, which are the two type of what is an Ajanta painting? Ajanta style painting, and then I said Apabhramsa. Understood? And then yaad rahega. This is, I said that Ellora, and this is, I said, Rasa, and fighting scenes are there. पता है कौन सी फिल्म का है? और ये क्या है? Elephant in Spawn and all. Killer है. So we have seen which one? Ellora, and thereafter उससे पहले हम लोगों ने कौन सा किया? Yes, tell me. नीचे में हम लोगों ने कौन सा किया इससे पहले? कुतुबुद्दीन है बाकी